Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Instagram on your phone and log in. Once you are at the home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right and tap the hamburger menu at the top right. On the pop-up, tap Settings and tap Help. Tap Help Center and you will be taken to the Instagram Help Center. On the search bar, type Delete Account and tap the keyword that matches. Once you get the search results, tap the first result. Here, scroll down and you will see the section to request the permanent deletion of your account. On number 1, tap the Delete Your Account link. Now select the reason for deleting your account and enter your account password. When you delete your account, your information will be removed from the public eye, but Instagram will store the data. You will be able to log into your account within 30 days. After that, your account and information will permanently be deleted. Finally, tap Delete and tap OK to confirm. And that's how you delete your Instagram account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.